Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today I will show you how to set a GIF as wallpaper in Windows 11 in a quick and simple way. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and visit a GIF website like Jiffy or Tenor. Then use the search bar to find a GIF you like. Step 2. Right-click on the GIF you want and choose Save Image As. Make sure the file format is GIF. Then save it to an easy location like desktop or downloads so you can quickly find it later when setting the wallpaper. Step 3. Open the Microsoft Store from the taskbar or Start menu, search for Lively Wallpaper, select the app, and click Install because this application allows animated wallpapers on Windows 11, which the system does not support by default. Step 4. After installation, open the Lively Wallpaper app and click the Add Wallpaper button with the plus sign at the top. This option lets you import your own animated files, including GIFs, to use as a live background. Step 5. Click Browse, locate the saved GIF file, select it, click Open, then click OK to apply it as your desktop wallpaper so your screen now displays the moving animation continuously. Thanks for watching Touch to Click. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful Windows tips.